proGres uses the standardized specific needs codes, which is a list of codes that can be assigned to a person at risk or with specific needs during registration and at any stage of an individual case cycle. I'm now going to undertake a demonstration of the two different methodologies for creating a specific need on proGres. The first way is from the individual record. First of all, you click on the registration module. Then you click on the individual entity. You can just choose some individual from this list to add a specific needs to. Or if you know the individual's number, you can add the number in here into the entity search. If you know their registration group number, you can also search in the multi-entity search up here. I'm going to choose somebody from here and click into their individual record. And in order to add a specific need to this individual, you just need to go up to the top ribbon and press Add. The Add button will bring up a list of different things that you can add to the individual record. And if we scroll down to the bottom of this list, here if you click on the specific need, and you can see from the top left-hand corner, it says New Specific Need. So you need to add a number of mandatory fields. They're marked over here with an asterisk, a red asterisk. So if you click in the category here, you can add your specific need. So if we pick, for example, child at risk as our specific need, then the subcategory specific need underneath will be fed from the parent category. So you can see these are all children at different types of risk. So let us add here child engaged in the worst forms of child labour. And you can see we've marked the status as valid, it's automatically set, and inconsistent specific need is set as no. Then we can go and save. Once it's saved, we have the specific need number specifically set out in the title of the specific need. And you can share that number if you wish to do so, or you can share a link to this specific need if you want to share that with a colleague. The second way to create a new specific need is from the SGBV or the child protection case. So in order to do this, you need to go to this SGBV or the child protection module. So I'm going to go to the child protection module for the purpose of showing you today. So you click into child protection and you click on child protection cases. You can see I have already created a view from my own child protection cases here. So if I click into my child protection case here, it will bring me up the child protection case of this individual. So, and what I can do then is again, I go to my ad and I can see the list is much shorter here because it's not the individual record, it's the child protection case, but I can click again on specific need in order to add my specific need. So again here, you can click on your category. So let's say in this particular case, we'll pick a child associated with armed forces or groups, and we'll save that. So you'll see then, once it's saved again, we have our number as usual, and then we can look a little bit in more detail about how to review a specific need. When you're reviewing this particular specific need, you can set it here as pending review. You can then have your registration staff set it at registration and save it. When you review this and you find it to be valid, you can mark it as valid and you can mark it as specialist. In that way, it's very clear that the specialist has reviewed and marked as valid the specific need in this circumstance. The final topic that we're going to discuss today is how is access to specific needs granted in proGres v4. Certain specific needs are protection sensitive, especially in the field of SGBV and child protection. It's essential that each operation discusses and decides which specific needs codes to use and under what circumstances, as well as who can create and see those specific needs codes. In proGres v4, specific needs have been divided into 7 groups. In practical terms, this means that the visibility and ability to create sensitive specific needs codes will vary from one proGres v4 user to another depending on 2 factors: their user profile or their access rights.